up, you guys? Welcome back. Today I am so excited because I finally get to share with you guys the first part of our home tour series, which is our kitchen. If you guys are new to my channel, my husband and I bought a house a couple of months ago and we have been renovating it, and the first project that we worked on was the kitchen, and it's finally done. So I'm so excited to share it with you guys, like the final reveal. If you guys are more interested in the renovation aspect, I do have a vlog channel with my husband. It's titled Kelly and Steven. I can link it on the screen here and down below in the description, but we have more in-depth vlogs on there about the renovation process. This is just gonna be like the final tour of the space, and I can't wait to share it with you guys. When we purchased this home, we loved the layout of the kitchen. I'll put some pictures on the screen here so you guys can see the before. It had a great layout and a great size, but it was really dark and just the colors and everything were not our taste. So we decided to modernize it and bring it to our taste. I wanted something that was modern, but also something that was a little funky and a little different. In my last house, I went very like cookie cutter, I guess is what you could say. Like with my kitchen, it was just like white on white, white everywhere. And I got tired of that and I wanted something that was a little different, a little funkier here. So that's exactly what we did. And I love how it turned out and I cannot wait to share it with you guys. If you guys like these home tour style videos, then I can definitely do more on my channel. Let me know down below in the comments, and I can definitely share more of our house as we continue on renovating it. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and click the little bell right next to the subscribe button so you can be notified of all my future uploads. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. All right, you guys, so here is an overview of the kitchen. I love how it came out. Just want to give you guys a quick little overview so you can see the layout in case you didn't see our previous vlogs. We did not change anything about the layout of this kitchen. Oh, you can see Prince's little butt walking away over there. We kept the layout the same. We just changed colors and like styles of things, which made this whole project a lot easier. We have these nice big doors and windows back here, which I love. You guys can see it literally snowed so much. We got over 2 feet of snow yesterday. Like, it's insane. We don't normally get this much snow here, but yeah, backyard looking like Alaska, even though I live in New Jersey. But I love that there was a lot of natural light in this room and these big doors and windows, especially like in the summer and stuff. We can look out, see the pool and things. All right, now I will show you guys the main area of the kitchen. So first we had this big kind of plain wall. The prior owners had like a bookcase here that they like put extra stuff on, but we haven't even filled up all the cabinets, so I didn't really need any extra storage. So I just got these 2 paintings. We got them from At Home. I thought they were pretty and kind of went with the vibes of the kitchen. So we just put those here. And then I love that we have a nice big window by our sink over there. I thought that that was really nice. And then in this little area here, we have like our coffee area. With our little $15 coffee maker from Walmart. I'm actually looking for a new coffee maker. So if you guys know a good coffee maker that makes pots of coffee and also like espresso type drinks, let me know, because I am looking for one and I would like to get something a little bit nicer. But yeah, this is what we're working with right now. And you know what? It makes a good cup of coffee, so it's fine. So as you guys can see, we went with white on the cabinets. These cabinets used to be a super dark brown color, and the kitchen was just really dark, and I wanted something brighter and more fun, but I still wanted to make it a little different because, you know, everybody does white kitchens now. My last house, it was like white on white on white, and everything was just too white for me. So that's why we ended up going with the black countertops, and I love them because they're just different. They're a little funky. I know they're not for everybody, but I really love the way that they pop against the white cabinetry. So I was really happy that we picked that. And then we did go with gold hardware, gold or brass, whatever you want to call it. And all of our hardware came from Amazon. Highly recommend Amazon if you're looking for hardware for kitchen cabinets or whatever. It's so much cheaper than like Lowe's and Home Depot. And we did do different knobs. So we did rectangles for the pull-out drawers, and then squares for the cabinet doors, which I really like. Our backsplash we ended up getting at Floor and Decor. I actually saw this on Instagram. I saw like this backsplash with this countertop and was like, I need it. So we got the backsplash at Floor and Decor. I can link it down below. And the name of the countertops is Cambria Mercy, if you're interested in the black and white countertops. But I loved how everything kind of came together. And then in this cabinet, we have a glass door. There's glass door cabinets throughout the kitchen. So I just kind of put like cutesy little things in here so that it looks nice. So I just have some coffee syrups, a little coffee canister that I got at TJ Maxx, some more syrups, and then a little French press all the way at the top just to make this more like the designated coffee kind of area for in the morning. And then the kitchen had these little built-ins on either side of the sink, which honestly I didn't love them,
but I feel like they look cute now. Like I kind of just styled them with little decor pieces and I think it looks nice. They have them on the other side of the sink as well. If you guys watch my TJ Maxx haul, I need to add a picture to this frame, but I got a lot of this stuff all at TJ Maxx / Home Goods and just kind of styled it in there and I thought that it looked cute. We have our big sink here, which this was new. The prior owners had a smaller sink and it was like a half and half. I just wanted one big one so I could put like a big pan or something in here and it would still work. And then we did the gold and black faucet. I thought about doing a gold sink, but I decided against it and I decided to keep it stainless because the rest of our like appliances are stainless. So I figured it should match that, but I did want to add this black and gold little faucet. And then we have a little gold paper towel holder. This I got at Target. Gold soap dispenser for a dish soap, which is from Target. And then this hand soap, which goes so perfectly with the kitchen, which is from Bath and Body Works. And it also smells divine. So have those just kind of sitting right there by the sink. We have another glass cabinet over here. So in this one, I just put like our nicer dishes that like people gave us for our wedding and stuff. We don't normally use these. We use kind of like these like cheapy dishes that I got at Christmas tree shop, but these are the fancy ones for if we have like guests over or whatever. So I put them in this because I thought it looked nice. And then down here, I have this little jar that I got at Home Goods that just has fake lemons. The fake lemons are from Target. And then yeah, I just put them in here because I thought it looked pretty just to kind of style the countertop a little bit. I don't like too many things on the countertop, so I do definitely keep it to a minimum, but I like to have some little pieces. We have our knife set over here just because we're always using that, so I keep that on top. We have our range here, which we were really lucky that the prior owners put a Viking in here because I've always really wanted one of these, but I would never honestly spend the price for one, but thankfully the old owners did, and so we get to have it now, which is really nice. So big oven in there. And then we decided to make the range hood black. I wanted it to kind of pop so you guys can see, you know, we have pops of black in the kitchen. We have the range hood black. We also made the island, which is right over here. This is all black too, because I wanted pops of black and white in here. So island is all black as well. And then over here, I just have this little marble, it's like a cutting board that somebody actually gave me for my wedding that has an S on it for our last name. And then a little spoon holder that's gold. I got this on Amazon. This little area I'm very proud of. I styled this and I feel like it came out really cute. I'm not normally good at really doing stuff like this, but I liked the way these all meshed together. So I have this little coffee bin and then a treats bin and then a little cutting board that says gather. The cutting board is from At Home, and then the coffee and treats little canisters are from Home Sense, which is kind of like the same thing as Home Goods. So you can probably find them at Home Goods as well. But I thought that looked really cute, and I just kind of put that in that corner since we don't normally use this area for like prep or anything. I figured I could put some more cute little things on there. So that's like the main kind of area of the kitchen, as you guys can see. And then over here we have our pantry. It is a walk-in pantry, which I was so excited about because now we just have so much more area to store our food and stuff. I got this little pantry sign at Hobby Lobby. I'm gonna give you guys the smallest little peek because this is not an Instagram pantry, okay? I need to organize it. It's like crazy and messy, and yeah, that's all you guys are getting. So eventually maybe I will do like an organization of my pantry kind of video or something, but for now, that's what we're working with. I have not gotten around to actually organizing that and like making it cute. Then moving over here to this area, we have our fridge and then a microwave and another oven, which is really nice. If anybody knows what you're supposed to put in these cabinets that are on top of the fridge, please let me know because I have no idea. Like I can't even reach up there to be able to like put anything in there. So I don't know what the purpose of those are, but I guess maybe it's just to, you know, look nice. Then we have a microwave on top there and then another oven on the bottom to hopefully host a lot of holidays here for our family and stuff. So it's nice to be able to have both in the kitchen. And then I just got these little king and queen towels. I got these at Home Goods and I wasn't gonna buy them because I was like, I don't know. But then my husband was like, well, we are king and queen because our little baby's name is Prince. He's sitting over here. We're your mom and dad, right? And your name is Prince. So that's why we got those. He's like, Mom, what are you doing? Don't bother me. But yeah, so we just have those there. And then over here, we have another area with a bunch of the glass doors. Honestly, I need to style this better. I don't really like the way that it looks. I just kind of put like random things that I had. Like we have our sugar and flour in here because I thought these little canisters were cute. Those are new. I actually got those at Target. They're from like the Joanna Gaines line. It looks fine. I'm not really that worried about it. Then we have the island. Oh my goodness. This is like the biggest island. I was so happy. I really wanted a big island, not even really this big. I would have been happy with something smaller than this, but the island is huge and there's so much storage in the island, which is really nice. We did these pretty kind of counter stools. So I got these from Amazon. They're black velvet with like gold bottoms. They're actually really nice and really comfortable. So again, I can link them as well as everything else down below, but they look cute. Got a little princey hair on there, but it's okay. So again, like I said, we opted to do the island black, but we kept that same brass hardware on here, and I think it just looks really, really nice together. Was really happy how it kind of like popped on the black. I have this big floral arrangement that I got at HomeGoods. I'm honestly not sure about this floral arrangement, so let me know what you guys think. I actually kept the sticker on the back of it because I bought it the other day and I was kind of like, I don't know. So I might return it. So let me know your thoughts. We have these Starburst lights above the island. These are like the coolest things. I love them. I got them super affordably off Amazon and I just think they're really cool and add like a funkiness kind of to the kitchen. So I like the way that they look. These actually used to be recessed lights. So there was no lighting at all like above this island, which I thought looked a little weird. Well, there was lighting. I mean, they were just like lights like those, like recessed lights. And I felt as though there needed to be like some sort of pendant type light there. So we got these converters for the recessed lights that we could convert them into chandeliers and hang it above the island. And I love the way that it looks. And then over here on the back side of the island is just all more cabinets. So a bunch of room for storage, which is really, really nice. And then over here is the eating area. So if you guys did not watch my vlog, this kitchen table has a long story associated with it, but you can watch the newest vlog on my vlog channel to hear more about that. I'm not gonna go into it in this video. It does look better now, so I'm happy with that. I have this pretty light fixture. Again, this I also got super affordably off Amazon. I swear you can get like the most affordable, cute home stuff on Amazon, and I would never really think to look on Amazon, but I love this fixture. It's not for everybody, but I wanted something a little more modern. And so I got that. And these chairs are actually from Amazon as well. I'll pull it out and show you. Which have a pretty kind of like black and gold chair with the white and gold table. You like it? But yeah, I love these, and they were cheaper on Amazon than they were on a bunch of other retailers, so I can link them down below as well. And the table just has like a gold bottom and then a white top. It did come damaged, but we were able to fix it. So I'm not gonna include where I got it from because I wouldn't recommend it. And then I have this little centerpiece here. Honestly, you guys, tell me your thoughts. Like, does this look stupid? I feel like I wanted to do something chic, and like I kind of got this idea to do this like moss ball kind of thing for the center of the table in my head. And then once I actually put them, I was kind of like, does that look stupid? I don't know. I got these from at home. I bought like the tray. It's just like a plain kind of black tray that's wood, and these moss balls separately at home, and kind of just plopped in there, but I might end up doing something different. But that's the table, little centerpiece that we're working with for right now. And then over here behind the table, I have this cabinet. I think eventually I'll get a different one, but I had this in my previous home and I thought that it worked well for here for right now. It's just like an antique mirrored cabinet with black detailing. I got it from HomeGoods, and I actually just keep like all of my candles in here, so I have them ready to go if I want to. We do have a TV. Honestly, I wouldn't think to put a TV in the kitchen, but the prior owners had a TV here, so there was like this big TV outlet, and so I was kind of like, okay, we can have a TV, because in our old house, you could like see the TV in the living room, which our living room is over there. That is yet to be renovated yet, but in here, you can't really see the TV in the other room if you're in the kitchen, so I was like, okay, fine, we'll put a TV in here. And I do have the LED lights. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you know that I put LED lights behind like all of my TVs. They're picking up a weird kind of color on camera, but they're like a gold in person, and it just adds like a little style. They're from Amazon. They're literally like 15 bucks, and they just stick to the back of the TV like this. You can completely control them from your phone. You can make them like any color that you want. I'll grab my phone and show you guys. You just go into the app, and let's say I want like purple. See, it just like changes the color automatically for you. So it's cool. We have them on all the TVs in our house. I got the idea from Jaclyn Hill. I'm gonna change it back to the other color because I like that better, but just change it back to the other color because I prefer the more neutral color better. But I got the idea from Jaclyn Hill, but these are just a lot cheaper version than the ones that she had. So yeah, I just got them off Amazon and I think they work fine. And then the last little area is our bar area, which I was super excited about this. So basically when we bought this house, this area was a desk. So where these two wine fridges are, there was nothing in there. It was open and the prior owners utilized it as like a little kitchen desk area. I think a lot of houses like built in the 2000s kind of were built with that, but for us, it just didn't really make sense. We have our own offices and so we didn't need another desk in the kitchen. So we're like, okay, let's make good use out of it and make it a bar. So that's what we did. So I basically just measured the opening and then found two wine fridges that fit next to each other in the opening. I just ordered them off of Home Depot and they fit perfectly. So we just have all of our white wine and like some rosés and stuff in one side, and then the other side is red wine. They're completely separated, so you can change, you know, the temperature to what you want. So this one is red wine and like some champagnes and stuff. So I love the way that that kind of fit in there. And then we did do these cabinets over here, all a black color because I wanted it to kind of pop and be a little different from the rest of the house. Then I just got this little sign that said bubbly bar. I thought this was cute. I saw it at home and it kind of went with the black, white, and gold theme. So I picked it up and just kind of put it there. And then over here we have a bar sign. Honestly, I wasn't sure what to put here. I don't know that I would have put this, but there's like this telephone jack. I don't remember if it's behind the R or the A. I think it was the R. That we needed something to like cover up, but it was kind of low. So I was like, we needed something that's like long and not gonna look awkward. So I feel like this ended up working to cover it up. And I just got these at Hobby Lobby. They were actually silver because I couldn't find gold ones. And so we just spray painted them. And I feel like they came out great and they're like the exact color that I was looking for. So I was happy with that. We just sprayed them gold and put them up, and then it kind of like symbolizes that, you know, this is the bar kind of area. And it's nice because we have this right here, and then right in here is my dining room. This is not done yet, so I can do a tour of that once it's done. But I like that it's like right off of the kitchen. So it's easy for holidays and stuff to go back and forth. And then this is our newest project in here. This is our mud room that goes into our laundry room. It looks a little crazy right now because this is under renovation. We're getting rid of this tile and doing a new tile and stuff in here because it is open to the kitchen. So it's gonna look really nice once it's all done. But that is not done just yet, but the kitchen is all done and I'm so happy with how it all came out. I think I forgot to tell you guys the name of this countertop. This is also from Cambria, but this is called Cambria Bentley. And so this is a quartz. But yeah, the kitchen is all done finally. I'm really happy with how it came out. It's like very much like my vision and aesthetic for what I wanted in here. So I'm so happy, a little funky, a little cute, and I'm so excited that I finally got to share it with you guys.
All right, you guys, so that is the whole kitchen tour. I hope that you guys enjoyed. If you guys have any questions about anything specific, definitely reference the vlog channel. We do have vlogs about the kitchen renovation on there, or ask me down below in the comments and I will get back to as many of you as possible. I feel like there was definitely probably some things I missed when I was doing the tour, like that maybe people would want explanation on or something if you're also renovating your kitchen. So definitely let me know down below in the comments. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye.